A Perplexity AI phone is announced, Anthropic gets a $61 billion valuation, Grok gets an Android app, OpenAI announces a $20,000 subscription option and rolls out GPT 4.5 to Plus users, and Runway gets a cool restyle option. I'm Lee, and this is the weekly AI Roundup. Perplexity has been on fire recently, and now we have another big announcement from them. Today, they unveiled that they are teaming up with Deutsche Telekom to make Perplexity the native AI assistant on their upcoming AI phone. As device operating systems increasingly lean on AI assistants like this, the AI that is integrated into your system will make or break the capability and usability of your phone. Partnering with a strong company like Perplexity could work out very well for people looking to disrupt the market. Nothing quite instills fear in the human heart like the phrase robot swarm. Ubtech has unveiled its connected humanoid robotics system that is looking to rival the Helix Network system that Figure AI revealed recently. In this video, we see multiple robots collaborating on tasks in a warehouse setting. We're not sure it's quite in the same league as the Figure robots yet, but it's good to have robot rivalries between countries, right? It seems that Gemini Live Vision features will be launched on Android later this month for Gemini Advanced subscribers. The Live Vision feature allows users to show Gemini the environment in real time via the camera. Gemini can then engage with user prompts based on what it is seeing in the real world. This system has been demonstrated on a few different occasions, but until now it's felt like just a concept project. Now, with a potential March release, it's feeling much more exciting. Finally, Anthropic has announced that it has secured an additional $3.5 billion funding from Lightspeed Venture Partners. This sets the company valuation at $61.5 billion. That's almost 50% more than Elon Musk paid for Twitter in 2022. Quite the valuation for a company that most people have never heard of. After Perplexity announced that they would be launching an agentic browser last week, Opera decided that they would get ahead of the game by announcing their own browser operator. It looks like this will allow users to carry out agent-style work, with the browser carrying out tasks on the user's behalf. It seems like agentic browsers might be a new battleground in the AI wars. Luma Labs released one of the coolest promotional videos we've seen to promote the image-to-video creation in the Ray 2 model. The video shows some of the most iconic still images that have been used as the seed image to create a video of some historic moments and people. It's really remarkable to see the power of AI bring these moments to life. Finally, Grok is coming to Android. Android users have been looking at Apple owners with envy up until now, as they get all of the cool mobile app goodies and Android gets nothing. But now there is a Grok Android app in beta. It's still lacking some of the features that are available in the iOS app. Most notably, there's no voice mode. Hopefully, now that it's live, we'll see regular updates. Google is launching a new AI mode experiment in its search tools. The new search mode expands the capabilities of the search itself and the presentation of the information returned. It will start as an experiment that will get rolled out to Google One AI premium subscribers. AI-enhanced search is clearly the way that the search market is moving, and Google are obviously in the premium position to define the new landscape. OpenAI is looking to launch a set of new agent models that are designed specifically for professional research tasks. You could use the low-level model, which is a bargain at $2,000, or if you're feeling flush, you can get the top-tier service for a mere $20,000 per month. This pricing model has been derided by many users who point out how OpenAI have gone from an open model for the good of humanity to a closed model with a $20,000 price tag. Does this mean that OpenAI will shift focus towards high-end specialist use cases and perhaps cede the high-volume consumer market to the likes of Grok? We shall see. Finally, some users have got early access to Runway's new restyle tool. This allows you to upload an original video as the source and then have Runway restyle the video while keeping all of the original proportions and motion. People have already been showing off some fantastic examples, and we're really looking forward to this one getting a full release. Freepik has added a fantastic new function to their generative AI tools called Colors. This allows the user to set a particular color palette and have the generated video or image adhere to the colors chosen. This brings a new level of artistic control that we haven't previously seen, and it will be particularly useful for product marketing and branding. It's only been a couple of weeks since Convergence launched its AI agent offering called Proxy. they've continued to extend their offering since launch, and their latest edition is called Template Hub. This is a community library of ready-to-use workflows that can be shared amongst users. This will allow you to save time by using a workflow that has already been set up, and it should also inspire people to find new uses for proxy. OpenAI is finally rolling out GPT 4.5 to its Plus users. It won't be available to everyone instantly. It will take some time to roll out, but by the time you're viewing this, you may already have it. Finally, in robotics, we got to see a crazy demonstration of a quadruped learning to skateboard. This comes from a new paper that is exploring a technique called discrete time hybrid automata learning. I guess it's better than teaching the unitary G1 how to do martial arts, but it's still kind of scary and very cool. X has added a new Grok integration directly into posts. Now you can reply to any post and start it with @Grok, and you'll get an AI reply from Grok to whatever you've asked. It's certainly a novel way of integrating Grok use into the timeline, but many users are concerned that it will just flood the replies with Grok slop. Time will tell. Hedra has launched a new character-focused generative video model called Character 3. This model allows you to easily create natural-looking animated characters from a single image and some audio. Many people have been showing off some really cool results with it, and it seems to be a big hit. You can get 400 credits for free from the Hedra website. It seems that the relationship between OpenAI and Microsoft is really turning sour and may be coming to an end. Today, it was revealed that Microsoft are exploring partnerships for an alternative AI provider, including xAI, Meta, DeepSeek, and Anthropic. If the relationship is over, the question will be, who needed who more? Finally, there's something for all the authors out there. Pseudo-Write has launched a new model that is designed specifically for fiction writing called Muse. They claim that all the current AI models suck at fiction writing, and they're going to remove all the typical AI isms from their outputs. They say their model combines narrative engineering and storytelling intelligence to deliver a higher quality output. Let's see what storytelling masterpieces it can produce.